Spring sports are in full swing, and so are the injuries. In our clinic, we're seeing a steady stream of youth athletes coming in with pain, swelling, and the frustration of not being on the field. Why are they choosing us? It's simple. Our state-of-the-art Class 4 laser. Let's talk about the 3 most common injuries we're seeing this time of the year. Number 1, sprains and strains. These happen a lot in sports like soccer, lacrosse, and baseball. A sprain is when a ligament gets overstretched or torn, most often the ankle or the knee. A strain is when a muscle or tendon gets overstretched. Think hamstrings or quads. Common symptoms: pain, swelling, bruising, and stiffness. With traditional care, you're looking at 2 to 4 weeks of recovery, sometimes even longer. Number 2, tendonitis. This is an overuse injury we see a lot in track, soccer, and tennis players. It usually shows up as Achilles tendonitis or patellar tendonitis, with pain during activity and stiffness afterwards. Left untreated, it can linger for 4 to 6 weeks or even longer, and often flares back up. Number 3, stress fractures. These are tiny little cracks in the bone caused by repetitive impact. We see this most often in runners, distance athletes, and multi-sport kids who just don't get much rest. They usually present as pinpoint pain that gets worse with activity and better with rest. Healing takes longer, with 6 to 8 weeks or more, and missing the early signs can really delay the recovery. Now here's the problem. Many athletes are still relying on over-the-counter medications known as NSAIDs, or outdated RICE formula, which is rest, ice, compress, elevate. While these might ease pain temporarily, it doesn't actually help the tissue heal. In fact, it can slow down blood flow, and NSAIDs may interfere with the natural inflammatory process that is needed for repair. That's why many athletes and parents are turning to Class 4 laser therapy. It reduces inflammation due to accelerated healing, it boosts circulation, and this gets athletes back on the field faster and even stronger. So if your athlete has suffered a common sports injury, don't wait. Call us immediately to jumpstart the healing process with Class 4 laser in order to save their season. Be on the lookout for our next video, where I'll break down how laser can help even more serious injuries like concussions, fractures, and ACL tears. See you then.